Welcome to the March 2024 issue of MSW magazine. On the cover, meet Ade Aban, the mastermind behind Atlanta's groundbreaking $360 million water project. Go behind the scenes of their transformation of a century-old granite quarry into a 2.4 billion-gallon emergency reservoir. Learn how Driller Mike, a custom-built tunnel-boring machine, played a crucial role in securing Atlanta's water future, leaving Atlantans free from water worries. MSW editor Luke Lagos follows up on the recent story about a $12,000 shock for a Georgia family. Discover insights from an Ohio water utility veteran who unravels hidden leaks, debunking assumptions. Embark on Phoenix Water Service's innovative journey. Brandy Kelso, with 20 years' experience, reveals the power of cross-divisional teams in tackling water quality challenges. Learn how these teams streamlined hiring, improved efficiency, and broke down silos, fostering a collaborative and knowledge-sharing culture. Join Ron Taylor on Nashville's $2.7 billion sewer system upgrade journey. Over a decade in the making, the Clean Water Nashville initiative tackles overflow issues. Learn from Taylor's 20-plus years of experience as he shares insights on challenges, innovations, and creating aesthetically pleasing infrastructure for the future. What are you looking for in a video inspection and location solution? Whatever your needs, you'll find the right equipment in this directory. Meet the Warwick Sewer Authority team revolutionizing wastewater management. Tackling grease buildup and maintenance challenges, they adopted pulsed hydraulics technology. Learn how these units save time, money, and transformed lift stations. In the hustle of work, distractions can jeopardize safety. Colonel Jeff Cooper's wisdom resonates. Safety is between your ears, not in your hands. Discover practical tips from experienced workers to stay focused and stay safe. Explore how a Canadian municipality tackled a collapsing stormwater pipe utilizing Canex Technologies' innovative ZipCam 360 on a vacuum truck. Plus, see how a U.S. Postal Service facility ensured drainage duct integrity with Fiberscope.net's portable Troglotrek crawler. Dive into the world of cutting-edge pipeline inspection tools. From advanced sewer cameras to electronic locators, discover the innovations reshaping the industry. Unveiling McElroy's TrackStar 412i, a pipe fusion game-changer. Explore the Fusion Guide control system for enhanced operator control, increased productivity, and field savings. Thank you for watching, stay safe out there, and see you next month.